Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So firstly, to add it, go to the settings, then to the accounts and synchronization section, then tap add account, then select Google. Then you have to enter, of course you will need internet connection to add Google account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And at last, what you'll have to do is to tap accept here. And after that, account will be added. If you want to remove this account, just select it in this section and then tap more and remove account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.